So hello people, this is Moscarblog. You are currently joining me inside of the S450d long variant, and we are now taking it onto the Autobahn. So let's give it some throttle here. Oh, what a pull. The hood is rising up and I'm now going. That's 150 already now. 160, we need to brake here. But this thing is just the ultimate Autobahn car. And that's why I took it out for a test on the Autobahn. I want to see how this thing behaves at speeds. Especially at higher speeds, not like at 130 or something like this, because basically any car could feel comfortable there. But I want to see how it feels at like 210, 220, to see how it rides. Right now here it's super soft. There is some little bumps in the Autobahn. I can see them, I can sense them as well. But the S Class is like gliding over them. I'm not feeling them at all. I'm like swimming on a cloud. This is better than I expected it to be, completely honest. We also have a 9-gear transmission here, making it super efficient. Look at it, 140 kilometers per hour at 1,500 RPMs. So what do you wish more? What a majestic pull this has. This is beautiful. Let's put it into the Sport here. Oh, it even has a Sport Plus. This S Class 450d has a Sport Plus here. Look at this. That's 200 already. Wow, it's so fast to get there. Goes there so fast, and I'm not feeling anything. This is like 120, 130. Also, the wind noise is super decent, but there is some wind noise. It's not like you're not hearing anything, but it's decent. Let's see it here now at higher speeds. 210, 220. Okay, I'm getting wind noise now at 230, but the ride quality in this is absolutely majestic. There is bumps in the Autobahn and the car is just gliding over them at 230. Let's give it a little bit more here, 240. Wow, this is absolutely insane. This is the top speed, 250. I've now felt the limiter. I'm now gliding here at top speed with the S450d. Absolutely superb. Wow, I could drive like this for 7 hours straight. I'm not even kidding. You could go these 250 plus for like 6-7 hours straight on a journey. I'm not even joking. Let's put it back into the comfort here. Wow, this was absolutely amazing. And whilst we are lifting the throttle, it's charging its e-hybrid motor. This thing here has 387 horsepower from a 3.0 straight 6 diesel, which is absolutely lovely. So people, it's de-restricted again. Let's give it full throttle here. 150, 160, 170. The numbers are just climbing. Wow, superb for a diesel. But this thing here has nearly 400 horsepower. This is the long variant, by the way. This is the long S Class. This isn't the short wheelbase. This is the long wheelbase. And it just feels absolutely, it's lovely to drive. I didn't expect it to be this good. Like, it's better than I expected it to be, and that's always a plus. That's always a good thing. Full throttle here, 180. It picks up instantly, 200. But I have some wind noise, sadly. But obviously you can't just make it disappear. You can't make the wind noise disappear. And it's also just appearing from like 200 plus. There is no wind noise from below that. Below that, especially if you would hear some music or stuff like that, the wind noise wouldn't be audible. Currently I have no music, no nothing, no climate. Basically everything to silent. So yeah, this is why we hear some wind noise. I think if you would run some music, there wouldn't be any noticeable wind noise at all. And the way this suspension just glides out over these little bumps that you would feel in any other car is just so amazing. Look at this. Also the manual transmission, the paddle shifters are super fast responding. Now it's a little bit laggy, but on the downshift's a little bit laggy, but on the upshift it's super fast. You can swipe it around here, and then have a look whatever you want and press there. So people, if you haven't done, make sure to check out my review of the S450 diesel, where I go more in depth about it and show you more of its features and talk about it. And also, if you haven't done, make sure to give this video a like so you help it spread a little. Thank you for doing that. So people, let's give the S450d here some throttle for the last time and then end this video. Look at that, just goes, look how fast I'm overtaking everyone. That's clearly, wow, 400 horsepower nearly, 387 from a diesel. That's so amazing. I think this is the most powerful diesel to ever exist from Mercedes. And wow, I just love this. I could travel so much in this car. I would love a car like this to travel around with. So people, I hope you enjoyed the Autobahn video of the S450d. And I hope I will see you in the next one. Let's pull here a little one again and then say goodbye to you. Again, 200, just like that, just like that. So people, I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.